Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, you consider subscription because I feel that I will bring you the most craziest content that you will love it. Okay, so our video topic is how can you change your name easily in the Google Meet app. As you know that the Google Meet app has a different thing as compared to the Zoom. If you are going to change your name, then it cannot allow you. The Google Meet app doesn't allow you to change your name easily. So how can you change it? So for that, if you have put your name something random in your email address, so it will take your name directly to your Google Meet app, and you cannot enter any of the meeting if your name is required on that. Okay, so how can you change your app easily in Google Meet app? So I'm going towards my Meet application. After going here, you have to click on the three dots here. You can see here. After that, you will see here that there is one email ID here which I have login. Have to click on that email ID. After that, you will see here that there is one Google account. Click on that Google account. You will redirect to one page here, and you can directly see here. Okay, so after that you have to click on the personal information, and you can see here that there is options of options that you can change your name easily, and your birth date, your gender, your password. You can see here that all your personal information you can change easily here. So that's how you can change your name easily. If you like this video, enjoy this video, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, and also hit that bell icon. Okay, so goodbye.